got the bonnet on. You know, this is real life. You gotta wear the bonnet, you know, when you go to sleep. This ain't no Tyler Perry movie. I can't go to bed on a cotton pillow and wake up and think my hair gonna look the same. Got the bonnet. Get you a bonnet, girl. Get you a bonnet. Ooh. Looks like a helmet. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do, look like a helmet. I'm gonna take this water bottle that I think I had in my very first hair routine video. Look, it's gone through a lot, as you can see. I'm just gonna spray this bad boy down. We're gonna spray this down. We're gonna get this hair nice and wet. Don't ever stop spraying. When you feel like you need to stop spraying, that means you need about a gallon more. You got hair like mine, you have to spray a lot of water. Your hair is going to soak the water up. It's going to soak it dry, y'all. It's like the bottle is someone that owed the hair money, and the water is money. And I'm going to suck you dry because I deserve it. I deserve it. Y'all don't hear me. Alright. So now, once you feel like you got a lot of... Oh, wait. Hold on. I wasn't done. So now that you feel like you got quite a bit of water. Ooh, that feel good. Once you feel like you got quite a bit of water on your head, you're going to go ahead and get your little moisturizer. I actually use... I don't even know what this is called. It's called Lot of Body with coconut and shea oils. Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream. I don't know. You just spray it on. You're not going to spray as much as you did with the water because, you know, you got to keep buying this stuff and, yeah. But you spray enough. And the best thing about this is that you can get it from a beauty supply store for like $3. $3. That's the kind of cheap stuff I like to hit. Try and get to them roots if you can. I know it's thick up there, girl, but you gotta get them roots, you know. And now just rub that into your hair. Now you're gonna seal the moisture in, okay? You can use any oil for the most part, I think. I don't know, I ain't no guru. But I use this organic castor oil by Sky Organics. And it says it's good for moisturizing for eyelashes, hair, and skin. And I use it for my hair and for my eyebrows, so... And that's what that looks like. Just throw quite a bit over there. I don't remember how much I bought this for. It was more than $10 though. Castor oil is pretty expensive, and if you get the Jamaican black castor oil, please plan to spend quite a bit for that. But that's why things like olive oil and coconut oil are just as good, and it's inexpensive. But I like castor oil for the like hair growing properties or whatever, you know. So I can actually leave it like this, you know, as like a little cute afro. But the way my shrinkage is set up, we just gonna do the regular little pineapple we do every day. We're gonna take this little stocking here. I cut a stocking that had like rips and runs in it, so. And I'm just gonna take this little hard man brush here and brush up around my head. Get that kitchen, girl. Talking to you. I'm just gonna take my little stocking and wrap it around the front here. Try not to get any hairs caught. I didn't like tie it. I just, you know, crisscrossed it over or whatever. And then I'm just gonna pull it up, tighten it a little bit, not too much. You're gonna have a headache all day. Trust me, I know. And then you're gonna pull it up to your desired position. I think we're gonna do kind of a hot bun today. Let's see. And now I'm just gonna pull the hair around. So now I'm just pulling the hairs around to try and like pull some of the hair from here up so it could be a little smoother, if that makes sense. If I don't make sense, I don't know how to explain that anymore, to be honest. And now I'm just trying to shape. Let me just, hold on. Let me bring out up a little bit. Got a little big up here. Alright, so now I'm trying to just shape this little, I don't know what you call this. The hair pineapple bun thing. So yeah, I'm just getting these like straight ends too. Making sure they don't look crazy. Bring it back down. Eye level, you know. Alright, don't hate me. Yeah, I use gel. What you gonna do? I just use it on the edges, just a tiny bit. I use this Gorilla Snot Gel. This stuff is the truth on some 4C hair, y'all. My hair be tight all day. Look at that. It look like a little, it's Gorilla Snot. Like, that's nasty, but it works. So I'm gonna just take a tiny bit on my finger. And first, I'm gonna just lay the front down, rub it on both middle fingers here. Ooh, ew. And lay, I'm gonna just throw it like that, as y'all see. I'm looking a little crazy. And I'm gonna just brush it back. And now, for no other reason but it's a thing again, you know, I'm going to find my baby hairs. I'm not going to make baby hairs. I'm going to find my baby hairs by just, there's a baby hair. Oh, I see you, girl. I see you, baby. Yeah, I see you too. Here you go. All right, we're just getting the baby hairs. We're not forcing any hair to come out. We just brushing the natural. Ooh, that's all baby right there. Yes. Ooh, that's going to make a cute little point there. Okay. Just brushing the natural hairs, okay, to make that little baby hair, to make that cute little swoop, you know. I don't got a lot of baby hairs on this side, but it's alright. And now we're going to take some more Gorilla Snot. Ew, you nasty. And we're going to just throw that down and lay these edges down, you know, lay these baby hairs down. You know, you have to lay the baby hairs down. When you lay the baby hairs down, it tricks the man into thinking that you stepped into the fountain of youth, and then they want to mate with you. And then they will make you their wife. And if you do not lay the baby hairs down, the men will still try to mate with you. But then they will leave in the middle of the night. And they will not return your phone calls. It's called the circle of life. The circle of life. And it moves us all. And once you have finished that, you are done. You got your nice little pineapple. It's nicely and it's nice. What am I trying to say? It's nice and moisturized. You sealed it with some oil. You good to go for the rest of the day, girl. That's it. Natural hair is not hard. It's hard. I'm not gonna lie. It's hard. It's really hard. But, you know, make it fun, okay? You know, lay them baby hairs down. We talked about this, okay? We talked about it. Alright, and just keep it moisturized and you're good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more natural hair videos. They're definitely coming though, because some of y'all already said y'all want to see some more. Don't forget to subscribe for more, of course. Hit that bell so you are notified every time I make a new video. Hit that like button and I will see y'all for the next video. Bye!